Is the future of economy at risk? What's going on with the crypto world? You want to know everything about it? Then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news fun on the right. Crypto a tope. What's going on? Volatile market, and we had another of those sables from Darth Maul. Bitcoin went up and then down. And why is that? I'm telling you here on Fun on the Ride. And this is first because of information in United States about inflation. We went up because inflation is below 5% for first time in 2 years. And then we go down for other things I'm going to tell you later. But first, let's see if you consider this is good, and that means that we are going to improve the world economy and everything's okay, or you're still in fear and you believe that the market will go crazy again. Maybe dollar will go just to this line as we expected, and it's happening, and Bitcoin going down at the same time. Maybe you are in fear or you are neutral. Well, you have some reasons to fear. Here you can see the collapse of the three most important banks we have collapsed right now. Just three of them. In 2008, we had the Washington Mutual Bank, but then all these and 24 other banks in the end. So you can see that the situation right now, maybe it's gonna make crisis from 2008 look like a picnic. That's what Radar Hits is telling us here. And from US government, they're saying that they print money out of thin air. They confess it. They don't care at all about it. And they criticize the crypto bros. They criticize the economy because we create money allegedly out of thin air. They don't know about Bitcoin. They don't know about Satoshi Nakamoto. And they recognize that they create, as they are the US government, money as they want.
Crypto bros make money literally by making money, and they've made over $1 trillion out of thin air.
Out of thin air.
They'll accuse the US government of making money out of thin air. Maybe we do, but we're the US government.
Maybe we do, but we are the US government. We can do whatever we want. If you watch the last episodes from Altcoin Daily, he has their information about this show from Michael Saylor, and there's a very interesting question from this girl to Warren Buffett and Moncler.
The past few years, the Federal Reserve has telegraphed that they intend to monetize the debt by printing trillions of dollars, even as they insist that they're fighting inflation. Already, other major economies in the world, such as China, Saudi Arabia, and Brazil, are moving away from the dollar in anticipation of this. My question is, are we likely to face a time in the future when the US dollar is no longer the global reserve currency? How is Berkshire prepared for this possibility? And what can we do as American citizens to attempt to shelter ourselves from what's beginning to look like the beginnings of de-dollarization?
Well, and everybody applauding to that. Crazy that we are listening to people that is that old. Okay, they had success in the past, but now sure they don't understand what's going on. Even Warren Buffett said that he doesn't understand what's going on. So for sure they don't get that Bitcoin is the answer. That's what Michael Saylor is telling you there. And he has a very interesting point. His point is like, well, when you are wealthy, when you are accommodated, you don't need to look for the solution for the troubles that everybody in the world is having, because you are a billionaire. So people in the United States that are comfortable there, and they are so old too, well, they don't need to go into the new thing. So they are not going to find the answer. You and me, we are the ones that understand that you can't print money out of thin air. And Bitcoin is the solution. You have just $21 million. You have maths backing it and the mining process. So Bitcoin, the solution, and why it went down as it went up from $28,000. Well, allegedly because the government of United States started to sell Bitcoin they have because they assist it. But this was allegedly, again, fake news. We're starting this world where you don't know if we are listening to fake news or not anymore. Allegedly, that was false, but it caused the drop in the market. United States government is going to sell in the future Bitcoin. It did sell in March 14, as we told you, but this is the second time that this fake news affects the market. Who is behind it? I have no clue. And what do governments all over the world? Well, they want to control the economy, of course, and they want to tax everything. Now in UK, they want to have the possibility of going to your exchange, and if you are not paying your taxes, take it from you. So again, we're trying to take out of the equation the intermediaries, to be free, to be owners of our money, and they are trying to keep on being the owners of our money. IRS is claiming now $44 billion from FTX debacle. So you can see they want control and they want your money. If you have to do your tax report, remember we have a draw from COINTRACKING, link in the description. Go to Twitter, do your tax, and you can have an upgrade in your account. So register in the free account just in case you have the upgrade to the first paid version. Remember, you have also a 10% discount if you buy one of the paid versions for COINTRACKING, the tracker for a portfolio that I use myself, and the one I use for my tax report. Good news for Bitcoin. Well, we just have that we haven't filled the 29,500 gap in the CME futures. And good news from El Salvador. They had more than 1 million tourists on 2023 so far. So you can see that Bitcoin is attracting people there, not just surf anymore. And JP Morgan now had to admit that things are going okay in El Salvador, and they changed the valuation. Nayib Bukele, the president, congratulations, just echoing that piece of information. Finally, they have no other but recognizing it's been good for El Salvador. And more good news for Bitcoin. PayPal is disclosing that nearly 1 billion of crypto assets are in their balance sheet. So right now, just in United States and just in UK, picture when everybody can buy and sell in PayPal. That would be one of the most important pieces of information we'll share with you in the future. As we shared today, that a top Abu Dhabi's royal has started buying cryptocurrencies through its investment company, the Royal Group Bloomberg. So maybe a lot of money flooding into Bitcoin right now. Well, we can see it's still in the red as we record. The bubbles are crazy. PEPE is going down, and it is, in fact, the worst of the most important ones today. So it's over for the meme season? No, it's not at all. Elon Musk did it again. He put this picture on his Twitter, and this is related with non-fungible token to a coin, and it went up crazy, more than 3,000%. So he did again. It's called no meme token. And you can see, I leave you the link in the description, all the story, how crazy is my lady maker here for the NFT price floor, how crazy it went. So yeah, you can see for the token up and down. Be careful. You don't really even understand what you're buying. Are you buying a token? Are you buying the NFT? What are we doing? A lot of impersonators, of course. So go to Dex tools in order to be sure you're buying the proper one if you want. And remember, these are pumps and dumps, and it might go to zero anytime. But for Elon Musk, we have good news today. It's launching on Twitter, voice and video chat. So you can talk to people anywhere in the world without giving them your phone number. Early version of encrypted direct messages 2 is launched So we'll have there like in Telegram, encrypted messages in Twitter, which is awesome. I tried with myself, but it's not working on my cell phone. So maybe it's just for United States right now. So it's still time for Pepe right now here in Dex Tools, breaking the important lines withdraw. So maybe this is the very point to enter if it's not going to go to zero. That is a perfect possibility. Here you can see how those lines are not holding anymore, and we have more fuss and more controversy about Pepe now on Coinbase, calling it a hate symbol, and the community didn't like that idea at all. And what about this other frog that also wants to be the main character? Maybe it's going to be the new successful meme coin. No one knows. It wasn't for Mutant Pepe, it's going down. It wasn't for F Pepe, it's going down. It's no time for Bobo the Bear, it's going down. And it's not time for those cryptocurrencies. You can see the pump and dump that you can create in 23 seconds. We teach you how to in last video. Do not miss that out neither. And today we talk about this other way of creating a crypto with ChatGPT. This guy created Turbo with no idea whatsoever what he was doing and now raised $70 million. So again, the market is being flooded with crazy tokens. Be careful with those. And if you want to understand at least which are the ones that you shouldn't be so concerned about, because allegedly those are respected coins that might go up or down or whatever, go to Dex Tools. Remember, we have this video where you can learn how to use it. And congratulations to this Spanish team that right now, with all the force of the meme coins, is being used so hardly. And you can see that even the token from the platform Dex went up like crazy. Here's the weekly chart since the beginning of the year. So congratulations on that. It's time for hard forks of Bitcoin. Well, happily, a Bitcoin Cash is going down. Happily, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision is not going too high, but it also had a positive candle, Darth Maul style. So we'll see about that. And maybe it's time for Bitcoin tokens or the etc. Well, here you can see I should have bought yesterday. It went up 9,000%. And Pepe on Bitcoin up 42,000%. So crazy how this is going on Bitcoin right now. We have more than 5 million tokens on ordinals already. We have to learn about it. I leave you the links in the description and you can do your own investigation. And it's time for Ethereum and the rewards. They are going up because of all the meme mania, of course. And also, we have a little bit of breathe, of release, relief. Cost rates and gas are declining, gas fees are declining as this frenzy is waning a little bit. So here, anyways, you can see a Darth Maul candle for Ethereum 2, as for the market in general, and Ethereum going down to 1,700. No one can stop that, I believe. And what about Baby Doge? I bought $100 in its day, and they are going to burn a quadrillion, 100 quadrillion tokens. This is crazy. So why is not going up? Because I bought it, of course. This is gambling, remember. Crazy stuff. And you can see today that the winner is my lady, meme coin. And it's not Pepe nor Wojak, is one of the worst in the meme category. So meme coins, we told you on Twitter, follow us there. Are those a great investment opportunity or just crazy gambling? What about DeFi? We are above 8 billion. No, we are between 80 billion and $70 billion. And we have a very interesting piece of information about NFTs. The actors from The Mandalorian is going to start a TV series, and it's going to be financed, not TV series, sorry, a series financed by NFTs, which is cool. More and more projects are being now financed by NFTs campaigns, which is so cool. And also right now, talking about AI, you can have a girlfriend, 23-year-old, just paying a little bit, $1 a day, I think. And how is that? Well, because of AI, they made this machine learn a lot about this girl, and now she will go with you, like in the Hurt movie, being your girlfriend. And more about AI, and today about music. You need to know that Spotify is being flooded by artificial intelligence songs. So the idea, we want to make money, sure, and we are trying to find every time new ways of doing that. Some creative people decided to create songs and upload them to Spotify and get some money with that. Is that difficult? No, it's not. But now Spotify is fighting those bots. So no, it's not getting easier, but the war is there, and there will be other ways of jumping that. I'm gonna leave you this video in the description. It will tell you 5 ways of creating those songs. Like with Boomy is the one they are using the most. I couldn't try it because when I attempt on doing so, my antivirus tells me about a possible attack, so I'm not comfortable using it. But I did use this Bitbot where I just tape I love Bitcoin, and this is what happened.
Digital currency, the future is here. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin, I hear. The market is booming, will it last for years? Investing in Bitcoin, you'll have nothing to fear.
In just seconds, and it seems to be connected to some information about the PEPE meme, because it's so interesting what it says here. I love Pepe the Frog, and this is the song.
I love Pete the Frog, the internet sensation. He even has a meme, he's the king of attention. His smile makes me laugh, his attitude is so cool. He's the king of the meme, ain't nobody playing him for a fool.
Crazy how fast is AI going forward. And also Moonbird is another possibility. I just typed I love Bitcoin. There's no lyrics here, but this is the music for an I love Bitcoin. Or maybe not. It's not working. Well, let's try to refresh. I love Bitcoin. A very, very funny song, 8 bits. It's crazy how it related to 8 bits, as we do a lot in FunOntheRide YouTube channel. And be careful with fake news. We told you about it all the time. Now in China, we have the first arrest for someone just using fake news. This is going to be something huge in the future. Even this video I show you about this guy, it seems to be that is fake, because if you see the sound and the lips, they doesn't really match. So is this true or not?
They'll accuse the U.S. government of making money out of thin air. Maybe we do, but we're the U.S. government. Crypto bros make money literally by making money, and
I can't decide. Tell me a comment in a comment below if you think this is true. It's unbelievable. But anyway, even though it's unbelievable and crazy, it's true or it's not. And you want crypto news to last forever, but we are coming to an end. This cat is trying us to not go. Just stay a little bit longer. We can't. We have to go and keep on researching. This one wants more of the jar of cookies. That is FunOntheRide crypto news. But the cats are right now too stressed, like that the tongue vibrates. So we need to make a stop for now. The world is turning upside down with this cat. What? We don't understand what happened there, and we don't want to fight no more with meme coins and fiat defenders like these two are fighting here. So as we don't want to fight anymore, we better leave, but protecting the ones we love, like these two crypto bros, protecting themselves against the fiat powers. And let's have fun like this too, with the cat dancing kangaroo style. So this is all you need today in order to smile. Thank you very much for your time and attention. We have no more time today. If you want to learn Spanish, you have this very same video in Spanish in our primary channel, Fun on the Ride. And if you want more in English, just wait till tomorrow for the next crypto news Fun on the Ride show here. Health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come, and crypto a tope. To the moon!